AdirChef grab-and-go personal coffee maker with 15 ounces. Travel mug, single-serve coffee maker with coffee tumbler, heavy-duty sturdy coffee maker, compact design, black. Eco-friendly. Equipped with a permanent filter, this environmentally friendly coffee maker allows you to cut out waste and save money. Eliminating the use of paper filters, you no longer need to spend money buying them or filling up your garbage can when you need to dispose of them. Universal design. Sized just right, the travel mug will fit into most cup holders and drink vessels. This is ideal for those who enjoy taking a hot cup of coffee with them on their way to work, run errands or drop the kids off at school. The mug is well insulated to keep your coffee warm for an extended period of time, perfect for those who have a long commute in the morning. Durable construction. Made using high-quality, durable plastic, you can enjoy a personal cup of coffee from this coffee maker every morning for years to come. It brews directly into the 15-ounce stainless steel travel mug, and once the cup is full, the maker automatically shuts off to save power. Portable appliance. Small and lightweight, this unit is the perfect size for tight counter spaces or tiny cubicles in the workplace and can be easily transported from one location to the next. In addition, the mug is equipped with a comfort grip band and is tapered to fit most vehicle cup holders. If you prefer to set up the appliance in your kitchen permanently, you can just grab the mug and take your coffee to go. Comes complete with everything you need. The personal coffee maker comes complete with a travel mug, lid, internal filter and holding basket. All you need to do is set it up, plug it in, and begin brewing your personal cup of coffee anytime you want. Prop 65 warning, lead and DHP. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.